So John Young made a video in the DJ Video Cape where he was talking about DJ workspaces, and a lot of people are posting videos of their office. But what I'm talking about when I talk about workspaces are actual workspaces where you've got screwdrivers and drills and grinders and brushes and vices and all of that stuff to really do projects, DIY stuff. This doubles and triples as a household workshop and a mechanic shop, although it's in the basement. All my tools are here. I can put them in a tote and bring them upstairs. And the DJ workspace. And I'll just give you a quick explanation as to what's going on here. These boxes right here, including the workbench, those are kind of your typical mechanic tools. In this box over here, it's more screwdrivers, drill bits, things of that nature. But when you get over to this box over here, this tall guy, this is all DJ stuff. Let me show you what it looks like. So if I ever need any kind of hardware for DJ stuff, this is the go-to box. The top, if you lift the top up, that's all microphones and microphone hardware. Below that you have clamps. When you get down a little further, you've got some trussing pins and couplers. But then we also get into some little boxes like Serato boxes or DMX controllers. And then we have clamps, we have yokes, we have gel casings. It's all in this box. And it's so nice to have it all in one place. Then there's the workbench itself. Now you can buy stuff off the shelf that kind of looks like this, but I wanted something real specific. So I built my own. I bought the roll-away chest and I put my own top on it. I made the top the size I wanted it. It's 6 inches deeper than most. Got the power strip on the back to charge lights, got a vise, got a grinder, and I have the computer, which is great for looking up parts or for just listening to music or watching a movie while you're working on a project on the bench. The other thing about the bench that's cool is the height is right. I like this. This isn't anything I'm bending over for. It's kind of like the Pro Event table. I like it because it's 36 inches tall opposed to whatever it is. It's a lot shorter, maybe 29 inches tall for a standard banquet table. This brings things up to the height that I'm comfortable with. At my height, I'm about 6 feet tall. Can work just fine here. And very easy access to all my tools. They're right here in the drawers, right below. So super cool stuff. Now, what is my shop missing? Well, of course, I wish it was a garage. That way I could pull cars in and work on them. I could bring a truck in here full of gear and just kind of leave it until the next event, dedicated truck. But realistically, with what I have, a basement shop, what would I like to have that I don't have? I'm not real happy with a few things that I've got set up here under the stairs. I'll reset those. But my biggest problem is lighting. As you can see, the lighting isn't good on me. You can see the bench okay, but the lighting isn't good anywhere else. So I think I'm going to get some of those Mod Pars, cool white, warm white ambers that are coming out. Super bright stuff. I can put them in here and use them kind of as stage lighting. So we can do more projects on the bench. You can see me. You can see the front of the project I'm working on. If I set something here, you're going to see the top of it fine, but the front might be a little shaded. Yeah, because all the light's coming right from the top. It's great lighting for working, but for shooting video, it's absolutely terrible. So some more lighting for that would be great. And I also want to do some decorative stuff down here. Why not? I have plenty of lights, and I've got plenty of DMX controllers. If I've got the warm white, cool white stuff on DMX, I might as well do kind of the same thing I did in the studio area or the dungeon area that you guys are all used to seeing. But yeah, shop's handy. I mean, if you're not a handy person, I understand how maybe you have a drawer at home with a screwdriver and a pliers in it and a hammer. But if you like doing stuff, it's so much easier to know where everything is. All the hardware for the DJ stuff, all of my tools for everything else, and a bench to work on, all right in one place. Very, 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 very handy, and I'm so happy that I put it together. And I do share it with the laundry, so it's not a dedicated shop, but it's a place where I can get some work done. And I recommend it. If you do any of this kind of stuff, have a shop. Don't just have stuff scattered all over the place. Organization helps, and it keeps the creativity going too. When I know that all I have to do is reach into this box for some cool hardware to build something cool, I tend to do it, opposed to thinking, I wonder where that is, and going, digging through a storage area to try to find a little piece of some kind. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Show us your shop, practice, and enjoy.